Let us begin with Chapter 14 of Social Science, Staying Healthy. How boring we feel when we fall sick. Medical science has been doing wonders. By taking few precautions, we can live longer and enjoy a beautiful life. In this chapter, we'll be learning about medical gadgets that have improved our health and increased our lifespan. First is clinical thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature of the human body. It was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1714. The normal body temperature is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. When the body temperature goes above this, we are said to have fever. Fever is not a disease, but it is a very important symptom of having disease. Now, digital thermometers are used commonly. Next is stethoscope. The stethoscope was invented in France by Dr. René Laennec in 1816. It is used by doctors to listen to the sound of lungs, heart, and even the intestine, blood flow in arteries and veins. This has helped doctors to diagnose and treat many diseases. Microscope. A microscope is an instrument that makes tiniest objects to be seen. A microscope is an instrument that makes even those objects look big that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Microscopes are used to examine blood, urine, stool samples. This helps doctors to find out the disease the patient is suffering from. Many more machines have been invented that tell us the disorders and diseases inside the human body, like X-ray, ultrasound, MRI machines help doctors to find out tumors and abnormalities inside the organs. ECG machine helps to record the working of the heart. Now let us talk about surgery. For some diseases and health problems, the body is cut and opened to cure the ailment. This is known as surgery, and the doctor who is qualified to do this is called a surgeon. In many cases, damaged organs are replaced. For example, kidney. This is called transplant. Now let us talk about life-saving drugs. Chloroform. Chloroform makes a person unconscious and could relieve any feeling of pain. It was invented by Dr. James Simpson. A surgery can be performed easily by using chloroform as the patient does not feel the pain. Dr. James Simpson was the first surgeon to use chloroform as anesthesia. Penicillin. Penicillin is an antibiotic. Penicillin prevents the growth of bacteria. It was invented by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928. It was regarded as a life-saving drug because it stopped infection from spreading inside our body or any cut on the surface of the body. Quinine. Quinine gave the first cure to human beings from malaria. Now let us talk about vaccination. Vaccination are used for the prevention of diseases. The first vaccine was discovered by Dr. Edward Jenner for smallpox. Pasteurization. Louis Pasteur said that milk and water when heated to a certain temperature and cool, becomes free from germs. Antiseptics. Around 150 years ago, patients used to die after operation due to infection. A surgeon, Dr. Joseph Lister, used a chemical called carbolic acid. He sprayed it on his hands, instrument, and the body of the patient before beginning a surgery. And he was happy to notice that there was a fall in the death rate. Carbolic acid is an antiseptic which could destroy bacteria